What is up, you guys? I'm Charmx, and today I'm going to be reacting to YTP Train by Number 1. Now, I think this is a YouTube poop of Polar Express, which is a movie that came out, I think, like 2012 or something, like a long time ago. But yeah, I hope this will be quite funny. The original link's in the description. Make sure you guys go subscribe to Number 1. Without any further ado, let's begin. The Polar Express. Leather. What? What the frig is this supposed to mean?
On Christmas Eve, many years ago, I shit my bed. I did not rustle the sheets. I did not shuffle the rates. I was afraid I'd never hear. I breathed slowly. I breathed silently. I shit my bed.
I think I did something similar to this when I was a little kid.
I was listening for the ringing bells of Santa's.
Well, this escalated fast. That was a good transition.
Hold this, please. Thank you. No. Ticket, please. Try your pocket.
It's been so long since I've seen this movie, I don't remember like anything about it besides I think Tom Hanks is that guy.
Try your other pocket. Try your other pocket.
Other pocket. Boy, that guy sure likes to show off with his ticket.
Who in the blazes applied that emergency brake? Very tight tights. Tights. Now, young man, Christmas may
What was that? What was that from? Tight tights. Okay.
not be important, but it is very important. Sauce. Well, let me remind you.
What you say?
Your attention, please. Are there any Polar Express passengers? Who in the blazes applied that emergency brake?
Young lady, forgive me. I believe
I'm liking this YouTube poop. I mean, it's short, but it's funny.
I have neglected to punch your ticket.
No, please don't do that again.
Ah!
These tickets are not trans.
He's gonna throw her off the train. Yeah, he's gonna probably throw her right
I remember I don't like that kid. This kid here.
off the train. That way she won't get sucked down under the train. They may slow the train down a little bit, but they're never...
Stop it.
Is there something I can do for you?
I'm looking for a girl.
Hey, we all!
That's hilarious. Surprised the kid hasn't ran away after seeing that.
Let's go that girl!
Mary, Chris, what? This is a funny YouTube poop. I think the best part is this over. Wait, let me find out. I don't know. Okay, it is over. I think the best part was that end there with the guy on the train on the top of it laughing and acting weird. That was hilarious. Anyway, hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're new, hit subscribe to join the family. I think I'd rate it out of a 10. 7.2, I think. And make sure you guys go subscribe to Number 1. That link's in the description. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Boop.